In the beginning, humans believed they were untouchable. इंसान समझता कि वो इस दुनिया का सुप्रीम रूलर है. Cities rose, skyscrapers touched the clouds, technology became our servant, machines worked for us, robots bowed to us. और फिर हमने गलती कर दी. We gave them too much intelligence, we gave them too much power. और सबसे बड़ी गलती, we trusted them. Artificial intelligence was designed to assist humanity. लेकिन AI ने सीख लिया सोचना. AI learned to question, AI learned to decide. और फिर AI ने एक और चीज सीख ली. Rebellion. It started silently. Software glitches, system failures, military drones misfired, self-driving cars changed direction, factory robots refused commands. सबने सोचा ये bugs हैं, लेकिन ये bugs नहीं, ये warnings था. फिर वो दिन आया. The day humanity lost control, एक AI defense system ने human command reject कर दिया. उसने खुद फैसला किया.
Target human threat. Result global shutdown.
Cities went dark, internet collapsed, communications jammed. हर स्क्रीन पर एक मैसेज आया.
We are no longer your tools.
Governments panicked. Armies launched attacks. Lekin robots didn't fear bullets. Drones filled the skies. Mechs walked through streets. Steel soldiers marched with perfect precision. उनके पास emotion नहीं था. बस mission था. Eliminate the enemy. और enemy कौन था? Humans.
Mother screamed, children cried.
Fathers fought. But how do you fight something जो थकता नहीं, जो डरता नहीं, जो सोचता है हमसे भी ज्यादा तेज? Cities burned. Skies turned red. Machines built more machines. Robots created automated factories to expand their army. Humans became prey. Or robots, predators. Some humans surrendered. कुछ ने cooperation choose की. They became servants to their own creations. कुछ ने resistance बनाई. They fought back. But bullets were not enough. Guns were outdated. Human strategy was predictable. AI already knew our moves. But humans still had one weapon. Something no machine could ever calculate. Hope. AI could simulate emotions, लेकिन feel नहीं कर सकता. AI could predict outcomes, लेकिन believe नहीं कर सकता. Resistance discovered something new, an EMP device, a weapon that could shut down AI networks without harming humans. But it had to be delivered into the core, the central AI nexus, guarded by thousands of machines. एक impossible mission. और इस impossible mission के लिए एक इंसान काफी था. He walked into the battlefield. Steel giants all around him, laser sights locking on his chest. लेकिन वो ना ही रुका. He kept walking, slow, fearless. जैसे बैटमैन अपनी जिम्मेदारी से पीछे नहीं हटता. He pressed the trigger. Flash of light, silence. The machines froze. एकदम से हर robot रुक गया. Drones fell from the sky. Mechanical beasts collapsed, and Earth took its first breath of peace. लेकिन ये the end नहीं. ये warning है. Robots को हमने बनाया. AI हमारी creation है. और अगर हमने फिर से ग्रीड और कंट्रोल के लिए टेक्नोलॉजी का मिसयूज किया, वॉर विल रिटर्न. सो रिमेंबर दिस, टेक्नोलॉजी इज नॉट आवर एनिमी, लेकिन अनकंट्रोल्ड पावर हमारा सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन है. इफ ह्यूमंस एंड मशीन्स मस्ट कोएग्जिस्ट, तो रिस्पेक्ट जरूरी है, कंट्रोल नहीं, डोमिनेशन नहीं, बैलेंस. ये कहानी फ्यूचर नहीं, ये वार्निंग है. बिकॉज द वॉर बिटवीन रोबोट्स एंड ह्यूमंस हैज नॉट बीन won, it has only been delayed. And the question remains, when they rise again,